Hi friends, welcome to the Math Talk for Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. Today we're going to be looking at this fraction comparison. And I'm going to have you look at it for just a minute here, quietly, with quiet in your head thinking, and then I'm going to ask you some questions about this fraction comparison. So my first question is, which piece is the biggest piece? If this was a candy bar that you were splitting up into sections, which color piece would you want? Which is the biggest color to have? Yeah, one whole is the biggest piece. If I had the whole entire candy bar, that would be the biggest piece. If I wanted to split my candy bar up evenly amongst 5 people, which color would I end up doing? Which color shows the candy bar split up in between 5 people? Yeah, orange. They each have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. They each would get 1 piece. It's split up into 5 equal pieces. What if I wanted to share the candy bar with 8 people? Yeah, I'd split it up into 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many different colors can show me half of the candy bar exactly? Like, if I wanted to split the candy bar in half, I could use this blue one to show me 1/2 of the candy bar up to this line. But I couldn't do that with the green pieces because 1/3 is too small and 1/2 of the green pieces is too big. It doesn't let me show the half because it's too big. It's 2/3 would be this much of the candy bar, and I just want to show half the candy bar. But if I go down, I can use yellow, right? Because I could use 1/4 and 1/4. I could use 2 of those yellow pieces, or 2/4 to get half the candy bar, to get to this half line. Could I use 1/5 pieces? No, because 1/5, 2/5, 3/5 of them would lead to this line. That'd be too big. I want to get to this line, 1/2. Ooh, could I use 1/6 pieces? How many 1/6 pieces would I need to get half the candy bar? 3 of them. 1, 2, 3 of them would get me half the candy bar. And I could use 1/8 pieces. I'd use 1, 2, 3, 4/8 pieces to get half the candy bar. And I'd use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenth pieces. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1/12 pieces would get me to this halfway mark. But I couldn't use the 1/3 pieces, and I couldn't use the 1/5 pieces. Which piece is the smallest? Which color has the smallest piece? Yeah, 1/12s are the smallest because I cut the same size candy bar into 12 pieces instead of 8 pieces or 6 pieces.